In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix disabled chat on chess.com. There is nothing more frustrating than playing a great game of chess and realizing you cannot communicate with your opponent, or worse, finding out that your friends are trying to message you, but your settings are preventing the conversation from happening. This issue is actually very common and usually occurs because of a few hidden privacy settings that might have been changed accidentally or set to restrictive levels by default. Whether you are using a professional account or just playing for fun, having the chat feature enabled is a key part of the social experience on the platform. If this video helps you get back into the conversation, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more helpful tutorials and chess tips. Alright, let's get started with the solution. First, open your web browser and log into your chess.com account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a cog icon which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click that gear icon. A small menu will pop up and you need to select the option that says All Settings. This will open the full configuration page for your entire chess.com profile. On the left-hand sidebar of the settings page, you will see a list of different categories like Account, Profile, and Privacy. You want to look for the section labeled Social. Click on the Social tab to load the interaction preferences. This is the main hub where you manage how other players interact with you on the site. Once the social page loads, scroll down until you see the section titled Chat and Messaging. This is where the magic happens. You will see several specific drop-down menus and toggles. The first thing you need to check is the setting for send and receive direct messages. If this is set to nobody or only friends, you may find yourself unable to talk to players during a match. Change this to everyone if you want full access to chat. Right below that, look for the game chat option. This is specifically for the messages sent during a live game. If this toggle is off, you will see a message saying "Hat is disabled" whenever you enter a match. Ensure that this toggle is switched to the on position. Furthermore, check your incoming chat requests. Sometimes physical chat isn't disabled, but your filter is so high that messages are being blocked before you see them. Take a moment to review all the toggles in this chat and messaging section to ensure they align with how you want to play. If any of them are grayed out or switched off, simply click them to enable the feature. After you have made these changes, don't forget to scroll to the bottom of the page and click the Save button. If you don't save your changes, the chat will remain disabled when you start your next game. Once you have saved, I recommend refreshing your browser or starting a quick blitz game to test if the chat box is now active. You should now be able to see the text entry field and communicate with your opponents as usual. It is a simple fix, but it makes a huge difference in the quality of your online play. If you followed these steps and your chat is still not working, it is possible your account has a temporary chat restriction from the chess.com moderation team, but for 99% of players, these settings will solve the problem instantly. And that is it. You have successfully fixed your disabled chat and are ready to get back into the community. If this video helped you out today, remember to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with all our latest guides. Thanks for watching and good luck with your next checkmate.